Let's learn how to write Alhamdulillah in Arabic. Alhamdulillah is a phrase which means thanks to Allah and also praise to Allah. For writing Alhamdulillah, first letter is Alif, then Lam, Al, then Ha, Al-Ha, then Meen, Al-Ham, then Dal, Alhamd for Alhamd. And now for Allah, it is Lam comes in the beginning, again Lams come, and then the Ha in the end. Let's join. The isolated shape of Alif, join the half shape of Lam, join the half shape of Ha, join the half shape of Meen, then the Dal. Alhamdu for Lillah, lams come in the half shape and again lam in the half shape and joins the ha shape in the end. Alhamdulillah. A for writing in English, the equivalent of alif is A. For lam it is L. For ha it is A. Alhamd. For m mean it is M. Alhamdu. Alhamdu. Then for lillah is L, L, L and A and H for ha. Alhamdulillah.